Hey you! If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen, and tonight's meal is completely effortless. Real dump and go meal. If you follow me over on Patreon, I did post this early so that you can set it up in the morning and have it ready in time for you to eat dinner tonight or supper, whatever you call it. I always use a liner in my crock pot when I'm cooking because it makes cleanup so effortless. You don't have to use it, but I'm telling you, it makes cleanup a breeze. You want to toss in your chops, toss in the onion soup mix, the cream of mushroom, and the chicken broth. I did set my crock pot on high for about 3 to 4 hours, but you can do it on low for 5 to 6 hours and it's going to turn out just the same. For the butter peas, I did decide to use the ham flavoring, and I also tossed in some all-purpose, some onion powder, and I covered it with the chicken broth. You want to get it to come up to a boil and then cut it on low, put the lid on it, and let that thing sit for about 30-45 minutes or so, and I'm telling you, it's going to be delish. So at this point, my chops have been cooking for about 4 hours, and I wanted to go ahead and go in, give it a taste test, see what did it need, and I added some onion powder and some all-purpose. Also dashed it with that black pepper. Cut your onions into strips and then toss them in. Make sure that you put your crock pot on low and just let them cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I used pre-made mashed potatoes, but you can make it fresh if you want to. It also would pair really well with white rice. If you haven't already, you can head over to my Patreon, grab your grocery list. The link is down in the description below. Come back tomorrow because we're going to be breaking out the grill. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.